What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to another video. We're starting off at my lunch spot, Publix. Alright. Oh yes, this is it. This is E-Case. Okay. I had a feeling they were going to have an E-Case here. Now, how much of it is gone, I do not know, but there's a cool one, the Ford Escort in black. I had left some behind when I found them at Target, because I figured I would find them again, and I was right. There's another one of those black trucks. The Lightning is what I'm trying to say. There's a Miata. There is quite a few of them here, but I think I am late to the good stuff. What's that? What is that? A Pacifica? Super Volt. Oh boy. That's cool, but that will be a peg warmer. I can guarantee it. Anything else here, man? I don't know. Batmobile? Is that what I just saw? Yeah. This Batmobile looks like a Lamborghini in the front, kinda. Not really, actually. Toilet car, gotta go. Moving on to a Target. Last time we were here, we found E-Case. Alright, let's see what we got here. This looks very full. Like, really full. Like, really, really full. Oh, here's the, alright, here's the Escort. As I mentioned in the last video, we are piecing together the new set of Ultra Hots. Well, I'm going to check the dump-in first, and then I'm going to go through these. Okay, so the dump-in's actually gone. But does that mean this is not fresh? I don't know. I don't think it would, but... There's the Super if it was. I'm just seeing stuff we already have, unfortunately. Oh wait, no. We do not have this. Oh, that's new too, the Drift Ender. Okay, so this is the most new E-Case I've come across. I don't know why, but this is always the quietest Target. So it certainly makes filming awkward. There's that Super Volt again. We saw that at the grocery store. I don't know. Not seen anything that cool. Pretty much think I got everything that's here that I would want. But I'll do a quick once over before I walk out. And let's see, I guess we're gonna be looking for the IndyCar F1 pack now. See if we can manage to find one of those. Premiums are the same though, we haven't seen any new ones. And I took a quick check down here, there's not really anything. Alright, checking Dollar General. One of the ones down the street told me on, I think, Thursday that Saturday they were getting the shipper, so let's see if this store got it too. Nope. I guess we'll have to stop at that other store and see if they did end up getting it. I think it's the next one down the street. So we'll check back there and see. Alright, we are moving on to a Walmart. I believe this is like the time they restock. So let's see if they got anything I don't have. Also, I think I missed... That's a really loud truck. I think I missed the dump-in that got dropped. Alright, so I know that some stores had gotten a drop of E-Case in their dump-ins, but I don't think this one actually did. This is mostly still A-Case stuff in this guy here. Okay, that's good. So I didn't miss out on anything. Why did I think I did? Coming over here. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, the wife would love that. Also, I got demonetized on one of my videos from this store because the speaker was too loud. So if you've ever wondered why I do jump cuts like I do so much, it's pretty much to edit out the music. So yeah, that video was doing great too. So unfortunately for me, we'll just take one for the team on that. Let's just hope it doesn't blow up to 250,000 views. That would be depressing. Alright, so looking at the premiums, it doesn't look like anything here has changed either, unless that they were dropped and have all been bought. It's just the same leftovers that's been here for months from this World Tour set. I don't see anything different. Still no silhouettes, although you can buy the McLaren on the Hot Wheels website. FYI, if you can't find that car and you want one, you can get it for $650 on the website. Alright, moving down here to the monster trucks. We found that awesome Back to the Future car recently. I don't know how old these are. These... I really gotta get up to date on my Matchbox cases. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's the one with the maroon Sentra. Got a couple neon speeders left. This is where I found them the first time. Well, I honestly thought I would actually probably find something here, so that's a little disappointing, but no big deal. Let's keep it moving. Alright, moving on to Dollar Tree. Last time I came to the store, I found, what was it? A, B, C, D case, maybe? C? Actually can't remember, but we got a couple cool cars from it. Let's see if they got new ones. Okay, it is a total mess over here. B case. So I don't know if it's a new B case or if that's just like the old stuff mixed in. I don't think they got anything new since I was here. Matchbox looks pretty full, but this is also old stuff. It's trashed over here. We got a case that looks like it's been gone through. Or just using it to store the rest of the cars. B case. Seriously? That's not the soup, right? That's crazy. Of all the cars to take. Mario. And a Miata. Like, what's going on here? Did someone just open this on their own accord, or what's the deal? Did they open it and take the Hirohata? I'm just really confused. More of them down here. That's a good one. Everybody's trying to find that right now. In purple, right? There's, yeah, 67. I think this is the one. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think I'll take these three. I wish I could take the box, but it doesn't look like there's anywhere I can put. There's another one down there. What's going on? Oh, look at this. Whoa. How long has this been here? Short cards. Here's our little favorite SL Mercedes. What the heck is going on here? What's this one? Maverick. Yellow. Yep. Doing a custom on that right now for a subscriber. Yeah, there's another truck over here. Alright, well, I guess that was fun, but not too productive. Well, that was a really good hunt. We got a lot of cool main lines. We have found E-Case at 3 separate spots now. So the first thing we did at Publix was pick up this Ford Escort rally car. This thing's really cool. I am not gonna lie, this thing is super, super cool. I'm trying to think if I have this in any other colors. I actually don't know. But, nevertheless, It's awesome. Then we hit up the Target where we ran into what seemed to be a pretty fresh E-case. It looks like maybe they got 2 E-cases here, because these right here would be the Super. When I first found E-case in the previous video, I left behind the Aston Martin. Not really sure why. It is actually pretty cool. I think the silver one or the chrome one, or what is it? It's like polished metal version that was out recently. The first one was a little cooler. This is the Super Treasure Hunt. Unfortunately, we did not get one. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, if you're into this type of thing, I think you'd really like it. We got 2 of them, one to open and one to put into the collection. Got another one of these Ford Escorts here. Same thing goes with this. We'll open one of them, and then the other one will go into the collection. Looks like this one's going to be the opener, since the card is a little worse than this one. This thing's cool, and it's new for 2025. I actually remember seeing this during one of the unboxings I was watching. The Drift Ender. I'm not really sure what this exactly is supposed to be. It's not a mail truck like the other one that we have. It's super cool. You got your turbos right up in the front. Purple wheels. It's even got the back opened. And it's got a cool like diffuser on it. That's pretty cool. It's certainly different, and I had to grab it when I saw it. This thing's really cool. The Range Rover Velar in gold. Let's get a sun check on this beautiful metallic gold paint. Wow, that looks awesome. Love it. And then we hit up a Dollar Tree, which had a B case that was open and dug through at the end of the aisle. I don't know if that B case was like there and someone opened it, or if a worker left it like that. I'm not sure, but I believe the B case Super was the Hirohata, and we saw that the main line was open, so there was no Super in that case, and I also did not find the Treasure Hunt. Unless I skipped over it. Maybe I skipped over it. I don't think so, though, right? The Treasure Hunt would have been that fish and chipped. It wasn't there, and I'd never actually found the fish and chipped, so unfortunately for me, that one seems to have skipped us, and maybe we'll find it someday. But I did grab another one of these Miatas, the Legends Tour winner, and I think maybe we'll do a custom on this some point. I don't know when, but since I have 2 of them already, there's no need for a third. We picked up a Mario Kart. I think I had picked one of these up recently. I actually can't remember, but we'll probably open this one because it's pretty cool. Even though it's an old casting that they just keep bringing back. And then we got another one of the 67 Chevy C10s in aquamarine or teal or whatever you want to call it. And as I mentioned, I believe this is the truck that everyone is trying to find. The Dollar General exclusive. It's in purple. And highly unlikely that I will ever find one unless I manage to track down a shipper. And the stores I've checked haven't had the shipper yet, as far as I can tell. So we'll keep trying, and maybe we'll find one. Let's go over some customs. In the previous video, I had stripped down the paint on that Samurai Warriors or whatever those cars are from Walmart and painted it red. This is the one that's supposed to look like an Enzo, I guess. And yeah, it's red. It looks better. I mean, it's nothing exciting. I'll probably have Lisa throw some details on here. Then I'll seal it up and be done with it. But yeah, I wanted to see if it would look more like an Enzo with the paint on it. And I think we can all agree it does. That being said, it still looks like a kit car or something of the sort that a kid would draw. And it looks like the paint chipped. I don't know how that happened. We'll have to do... Nope, we're not doing another coat. I'm done. Unless one of you wants this. If one of you wants to buy this, just let me know and you can have it for cheap. Alright, one more thing. So this right here is a Toyota Celica. I actually had painted this red. Red was not the right color, so I stripped it down. Figured flat black would be the one. And it's mainly because the glass is yellow, and what color goes better with yellow than something like black? Way better than red. I don't know why I painted it red. So I just did the final coat. I think it's dry enough to pull it off and put it together. Hold on. Alright, so here it is. This is kind of just a fun project for me. I don't know what's going to come of it. I have no idea what to paint the interior or what color wheels to use. All I know is the window in the front will be yellow, and I'll probably tint this one. So it'll still have a yellow tint, but, you know, it'll be dark from the inside. And then we have the spoiler here. I didn't put the spoiler in because last time I tried to do it before the paint was totally dry and cured, I chipped it and had to do another coat. So just something fun I'm doing right there. I think this one will come out looking pretty cool. And like I said, I'm just doing it because it's a car from my teenage years that I always thought was really cool. So one other thing, I redid this wall here. It's probably going to get filled up really quickly very soon because that's typically what happens when I clean it and then just start making videos again. But you know, we got a couple mini GTs over here. We got the Matchbox Super Chase, a Super Treasure Hunt, 2 of the Hot Wheels exclusive cars, that awesome cool and customs I got recently in a Whatnot unboxing, And this right here from my subscriber Nick, he makes these. I'll leave his link in the description, so if you want to grab one for yourself, you can. It's got a thing in the back so you can hang it, so I think we're probably going to hang it right there, and we'll do like a car of the week or something like that. We could switch it up every time. I think that would be really cool. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later!